My camper smells like poop. Got this water hose running in the back. We're filling up the commode. Close.
It don't smell like poop, it smells like
Like what?
decaying poop.
Sewer, yeah. I know.
It's gonna take a long time to
Quit.
this is what's happening.
Then we can't just start it. Stop. And I'm sitting here at this local RV park close to the house, waiting on them to open, see if they got a dump station, or maybe I could use a spot to back flush my tanks. Okay, so I'm going to try and give you the baby without all the labor pains, okay? So long story short is, when we dumped our tank last, which is about a week and a half ago, we got a smell. We got home and we tried to add some water, thought we had it licked, but we didn't. Ultimately, I had to go to our local campground, give them some money to use it for a couple of hours, and I ran about 65 to 70 gallons of clean fresh water through the black tank until it just cleared up, running clean water. We think we've got the problem solved at the moment. Stick around to the end and I'll share with you why this happened, why the water hose wasn't such a great idea, and some tips to keep this from happening to you. We now connect and disconnect our weight distribution bars in the street because we bent the bolts and brackets that connect the bars to the trailer frame. We believe this is due to the sharp turn backing in and out of the driveway. Come to think of it, there's probably been a couple campsites I should have disconnected before backing into also. Fortunately, I was able to straighten the brackets and reuse those, and with the help of a new bolt kit, we're back in action. But you know, I can't ever recall seeing anyone ever disconnect before backing into their campsite. Do any of you guys disconnect your weight distribution bars before backing into a site? If you do, let me know in the comments and what your thoughts are on disconnecting before backing in.
What?
Does it stink?
Nope.
So I fixed it?
I guess.
I'm good to go?
Oh.
Rock and roll. We finally got our crap together, literally. When we got out on the interstate, we're headed to Fireside RV Resort in Ponchatoula, Louisiana.
This is your premium back-end site here at Fireside, number 64.
Got the awning out, just set up and chilling. So Allison forgot my flip-flops.
Because I wear them.
Yeah, we come to find something in town, and guess what we found?
The OG Golden Corral.
The Golden Corral. Yep.
We ate at the very first time. That was good.
Yep. So.
Clean and
Yep, the nice one.
the nice one.
So
I
we
should have never pointed it out.
Yeah.
We are parking.
Yep. So we finna get a little breakfast. This is like the best dessert ever. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Let me see if I can squeeze in here. Jeez Louise. Verdict?
Nothing.
Nah. I know this. If you in Louisiana and you need a pair of quality flip-flops, you better get them jokers before August 30th, because the stores are going to be sold out. They will have them little thin ones in there. Look, old plantar fasciitis. It don't work none good with that. I can make one trip to the pool and I'll be down for the count. You hear me? Oh, she holding a bag. Boy, who'd have thought Walmart for the win, huh?
Yep, should have came here first.
Well, but we don't have a place to sit other than the dinette here. So we're going to pull this table up, store it up there on the bunks underneath the rest of that stuff, and see how we like it. Oh man, that's way better. We should have done this a long time ago. This was our first time staying at Fireside RV Resort, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. We really enjoyed the pools and the lazy river. Although we didn't win the duck race, we did win a trivia contest that gave us $50 off of our next stay. Saturday and Sunday was live music, and we definitely took advantage of that. If we weren't at the pool or riding our bikes, we were back at the site playing games, cooking on the fire ring grill or the griddle. But what Allison loved most of all was the donuts that Fireside leaves on your doorsteps on Sunday mornings. That was a nice surprise, and it just made her trip. So we didn't have a good experience with the water hose, and tell everybody why the water hose was such a bad idea.
Because when you're standing in there and you have your trap door open and you have your water hose just spewing the stream of water into your black tank, you're getting that smell that comes straight back up at you, makes you want to gag.
But if you use a 5-gallon bucket, it kind of keeps the hole full of water at the same time, and you don't have that trap door open very long, so you don't get such a putrid smell rushing back in your face. So the reason this happened was we weren't keeping enough water in our black tanks to begin with. So when you have a lot of water in there, it takes all the paper and the solids and everything, and that big rush of water just shoves everything out when you open the gate valve for the black tank. And we didn't have that, so it left a lot of solids left in there. So when we added water, it just kind of stirred everything up and made it bad. The moral of this story is to keep plenty of water in your black tank. After we dump, we now put about 8 gallons of water back into our black tank just to make sure.